Ever wondered how to join a booked session on Edha? Today, we'll explore this simple process that begins with an email and a text message from Edha, involves logging into your account, and ends with a click on the Join button. It's as easy as a few clicks. Let's break it down. First things first, you need to log in. Open your web browser and head over to www.eda.life. Once there, click on Login. A fresh window springs up. Here, you'll enter your unique login ID and password. Voila, you're now in your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you're halfway there. Next, we navigate to the Sessions page. On your dashboard, locate and click on the Sessions tab. Here, you'll see all your scheduled session details, including date, time, and expert. It's your personal timetable with Edha, and there it is, your scheduled session. Ready to join? Let's do it. Spot the Join button next to your scheduled session and give it a click. Remember, the session starts and ends on the dot, so punctuality is key. And just like that, you're in your session. But what if you need to reschedule? Don't worry, Edha's got you covered. From your Sessions page, you can easily reschedule your booked session. However, before you make any changes, take a moment to read through the cancellation and refund policy. It's always better to be well informed. And if you find yourself with any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. They are always ready to assist you with your needs.